Hello friends, one new question on trigonometry, heights and distance. And this question is the previous year question and very important question also. Let's go straightway to the question. And here is the question. A man standing on the bank of river observed that the angle that subtended by a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degree. When he retires 30 meters from the bank, he finds that the angle is 30 degree. The breadth of the river is, okay, let's take the scenario here. We are talking about, this is what the breadth of the river. Let's take this breadth of the river, which is A and B. And this is the top of the tree, which I can consider as C. Now, when he retires 36 meter from the bank, so that is from here to here, I will take another point, that is D, and this is 36 meter. And this A and B, this is the width of the river. Okay, so let's draw the angle here and angle on the top of the river. So initially, when he without retiring 36 meter, the angle of elevation was 60 degree. After he walks 36 meter away from the river, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now question is, what is the breadth of the river? What is this breadth of the river? That's what AB I need to find it out. So let's first find out the smaller angle. And here it says that let's consider this as H and this as X. Now I need to find out X. So here tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by perpendicular by base, that is H by X, and as tan 60, which is nothing but root 3. Now I will write H in the form of X. So H is equal to root 3 X. Next, let's take this tan 30. Tan 30, which is equal to perpendicular by base, that is H by base. The base is 36 plus X. So let's write down here. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So which is equal to 1 by root 3. Now I get, I can replace H with root 3 by X. So I can do that here. That is root 3 X. Now the rest is a basic simplification. So cross multiplication, root 3 is 3. 3x, which is equal to 36 plus x. Let's write down 3x is equal to 36 plus x. So x and 3x gets cancelled. I get 2x is equal to 36, which is x is equal to 18. And what is the x? X is width of the river. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that any new video posted by me you can see it. Thank you.